Hi everyone, it's Tara Molina outside of an incredible listing here in the beautiful community of Chapala in Calgary, and we're going to be featuring this incredible beauty behind me, 78 Chapala Grove here in Chapala, and there's a couple of cool features I wanted to point out on the outside of this home. So, you are located on an incredibly beautiful street on a grove, and we're just going to take a tour of 78 Chapala Grove, fully finished from top to bottom, over 3,300 square feet of developed space. This home backs on to an amazing backyard, beautiful south-facing pie lot with a larger fence for added privacy. So we're gonna pop inside. As soon as you enter in, you immediately have a very spacious foyer with a front entrance that has a peekaboo window to your flex room. So we're gonna just take a tour here of your flex room. They're using it as an office. This would be a great dining area or a playroom. Beautiful lighting. Here is your open concept living, dining, kitchen. Beautiful corner fireplace with stainless steel accent around. Amazing window coverings, leveler blinds. Continue on. So much space, over 3,300 square feet of fully developed space. 78 Chapala Grove here in Chapala. Now, my favorite feature of this home is truly the backyard. So we're gonna go out our screen door and we're gonna do a pan here. So you have this beautiful south-facing pie. So there's that raised fence for added privacy with trees on the other side. What an incredible day. Oh, of course there's a motorcycle driving by. But we have this beautiful shaded area with pergola, beautiful columnar aspen trees, Duradeck, paving stones. There's central air in this home and central vac for some conveniences. We're gonna I'm under this dreamy pergola, just beautiful. There's your access to the side of your house. 78 Chapala Grove here in Chapala. Amazing home, so much space. We're gonna do a pan here again of the dining kitchen area. Beautiful cabinetry. There's incredible millwork added in throughout the home as well, so take notice of that. It's such an incredible opportunity. Here's your pantry, and it's a walk-through pantry that takes you all the way to the garage, but we're going to actually walk through this way. So back towards the front door, there's that incredible flex area. Again, this home has air conditioning, it has central vac. We're going to see your powder room located at the front of the home. And then this is that access to your mudroom, pantry, laundry area. You also have a double attached garage with tons of storage and those beautiful windows that add light. So we're gonna tour the fully developed basement last, but right now we're gonna head on upstairs. There's 3 bedrooms up plus a huge bonus room. So if you're looking for space, this might just be the perfect opportunity for you. Here's your bonus room. Beautiful light streaming through. You don't really need that ceiling fan because you do have air conditioning in this incredible home. And what I love about homes like this, beautiful curb appeal, so it's pride of ownership. And we're gonna keep touring. You have your main bath located here. Lots of space for all your things. You have these nice little art niches. Here is bedroom 1 of 3. Now all the bedrooms are very spacious. You can easily fit queen or king beds. Here is bedroom 2 of 3. And then you have this massive master retreat. So I'm gonna do a pan here, and it has south-facing exposure, beautiful window coverings, large walk-in closet. And then you have, actually I'm just gonna do a bird's eye view of that backyard because it's my favorite feature. So much privacy, huge south-facing pie lot. And here's your ensuite with double sinks. Standalone shower off to the side with tile all the way to the ceiling. And a very large soaker tub with those privacy blinds that go top down, bottom up. Such a great feature to have. Again, I'm at 78 Chapala Grove here in Chaparral, and this home is such an amazing opportunity for a growing family, or if you're just looking for extra space, this just might be the perfect spot for you. So we're gonna head on down to the basement, fully finished. So this home is fully finished top to bottom and an amazing price point as well. So there's another bedroom downstairs. Through here is your electrical room. I'm gonna show this because you have a ton of storage, tons of storage. And you have a sink, and then there's your central vac. So tons and tons of room that you don't have to encroach on any of your finished space. You have another full bath with shelving, beautiful shower with tile, including the ceiling. And then another bedroom, so 4 bedrooms. And now there's added millwork throughout the house as well. So here's an example of that. Beautiful detailing. And then you have this gorgeous basement fun zone with corner gas fireplace, again, more millwork, beautiful cork flooring, and a nice accented ceiling as well, and tons of space. So this is 78 Chapala Grove here in Chaparral, and it is an incredible opportunity for you to call home. If you're looking for more information, check out the details in the post, and we'd be happy to give you a tour of this incredible property. And with over 3,000 square feet of developed space, ample room to play and grow, but with that beautiful south-facing pie backyard, air conditioning, central vac, and all the custom details throughout, you can't go wrong with 78 Chapala Grove here in Chaparral. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. Have a beautiful day.